yourself, otherwise there's no point in having Zoom. तो फिर आप लोग सेशन में बात कर लो, इसलिए यहाँ पे क्यों आते
ये गलत बात है सर, आपने
हाय
बहुत
निशा,
गलत।
दीपांशु जी कौन बैठा हुआ है? ओ दीपांशु जी का सर है वो, अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है, डर गया।
हाय सर।
हाय लिजा, बताइए। हाय आर्यन।
You have said in the session कि मुझसे आशीर्वाद लेने के लिए, पर मैंने ऐसा क्या किया जो मैं सबका आशीर्वाद दूं?
क्योंकि आपका सरनेम देवी है, समझ नहीं आता मतलब जोक।
अच्छा, अभी समझ में आया।
लॉजिक निकाला
अरे ट्यूबलाइट भी बड़ा वाला लॉजिक।
हेलो,
वीडियो ऑन करो पीपल, वीडियो ऑन करो, ऐसे नहीं बात करेगा। और मैं 5 मिनट ले रहा हूँ, 5 मिनट जाना है मेरे को। आज एक इंटरेस्टिंग जा रहा हूँ आप लोगों सबको, ठीक है? I would like everyone to listen to this.
मेरा कैम ही काम नहीं कर रहा, मेरा कैम खराब है।
कैम खराब है आपका? ठीक है। एनोनिमस जानता है इसको, इस हरकत को जो मैं करता हूँ मीटिंग में? हाँ ध्रुव बताओ।
सर एक चीज क्लियर करनी थी, आपने सेशन के स्टार्ट में बोला था, मैंने ही वो जवाब दिया था लॉ और कोर्ट वाला रिडल का। सर वो दूसरा वाला ध्रुव था जो ग्रुप में स्पैम कर रहा था, मैं नहीं था, मैं जेल नहीं जाऊंगा। मैंने
नहीं वो तो राणा जी समझते हैं हम, वो तो राणा जी। हाय जानवी, हाय मुजीब, चेतना जी नमस्ते, आर्यन कुमार जी नमस्ते, दिवांशु जी बाल कटवा के एकदम हैंडसम लग रहे हो, शाहरुख खान लग रहे हो एकदम। पापा ने कटवा दिया बाल ना? आई नो पापा कटवाते रहते हैं।
हेलो,
अभी तक नहीं समझा।
सर आप एक्चुअली में शादी कब कर रहे हो?
नहीं कर रहे मैं।
अरे अनुपम, हमने बताया ना तुमको, पता नहीं 2022 में सर की शादी होने वाली है। अनुपम हमने डेट निकाली है,
हमें बात नहीं करते
डेट निकाला है। आपने देखा नहीं सर, मैं उस सेशन का लिंक आपको दूंगी सर।
अच्छा, आई होप ऑल गाइस आर हियर। माधव, यू आर गुड बेटा? यू गुड माधव?
यस सर।
कितने दिनों बाद जूम किया।
टाइम हमारी यहाँ से नहीं आए क्या? Karthik is here. People uncam, please uncam yourself.
सर मुझे एक चीज थी सर,
कभी नहीं हो सकता सर, सोचिए मत uncam को।
सर मुझे एक चीज पूछनी थी सर। आप अमृतसर से बात करके उनसे पूछ सकते हो वो कौन से होटल में रह रहे हैं, क्योंकि मैं भी अभी थोड़ा बाहर घूमने जाऊंगा तो मुझे भी थोड़ा मतलब मुझे वो जगह पसंद आई, तो उनसे पूछ के बता दो। होटल उनका अच्छा लगा मुझे।
जो लोग होटल जाते हैं उनका रेपुटेशन अच्छा नहीं होता, ठीक है? मैं पूछता हूँ। हाँ भुवन जी बताइए।
सर अमृतसर दूध लाते क्यों है?
अरे उन्होंने एक शो देखा था जिसमें वो ऐसे सल बोलते थे, तो इसलिए बताया था उन्होंने ये उनके।
अच्छा रुक जाओ, अब म्यूट करना पड़ेगा। रुक जाना। ठीक है, सब मिल गया भाई? आप देखो। So we're going to do a very interesting exercise for just 2 minutes. For that, I want everyone to uncam yourself, and I want to see every one of your faces, and no cheating happening. No cheating happening. एक बहुत interesting सी activity करेंगे, through which we'll understand कि अपने emotions पे control कैसे करना होता है. And with that emotions, what you're going to try out is to how not to be scared of examinations, how not to be extremely sad and frustrated and depressed. How many of you guys are actually frustrated about the examinations? Raise your hands. Yeah, bit nervous about the examinations. Please raise your hands. Yeah, okay. So let's talk about today कि भाई how can we actually not be nervous about, and how easy is for human beings for actually not being nervous. ठीक है? So we'll do a very simple activity. Please, I know as kids it's very important for you not to close your eyes and see what other people are doing. आज वो नहीं करते, ठीक है? Let's just focus on ourselves for a day. For 5 minutes, let's see कि आज हम क्या कर सकते हैं. Cool? So what I want everyone to do, if you want, you can, stop your camera, but please do this honestly. Just 2 minutes, ठीक है? But it will be great because I'll be able to see all of your faces. ठीक है? So I want everyone to close your eyes. Please close your eyes. No cheating at all. You close your eyes. It's okay. Don't worry. No one is peeping in anyone else's camera. Don't worry, ठीक है? Just close your eyes. Do not open until I say it. Please close. No peeping. Yes. Karthik is the only serious person here who's closed your eyes. Honestly, yes. Okay, now take a long breath. Do not worry. Abhishek sir yoga नहीं करवा रहे हैं, ठीक है? Don't worry about that. Prachi, close your eyes. Divanshu, you close your eyes. Boban ji, please close your eyes. Okay. Now what I want you to do is, very simply, being your eyes closed, just imagine the most recent marriage you went to. जहाँ पे you like इतना डांस किया, इतना खाना खाया, मतलब मजा आ गया था. The most recent marriage. The most recent birthday party you went to of your friends, जहाँ पे बम पे लात इतनी लगी, तब अंतरात्मा खुश हो गई. Now I want you to imagine, being your closed eyes, Janvi, close your eyes quickly. Now I want you guys to imagine something very simple. I want you to imagine the recent passing away of someone very close to you. Could be a family friend, could be your friend, could be a relative, could be a person from your family itself. Now I would like to stop your imagination and again go back to the birthday party. Okay, now take a long breath and open your eyes very slowly. Okay. Now you don't know what I was seeing, right? So what I was seeing is, when we were in the birthday party, intentionally or unintentionally, all of you guys had a smile. Okay? Like, all of you guys had a smile. The moment I told you about the passing away, everyone was like, some thought. Then again, go back to the party, everyone starts smiling again. So what happened? You just gave the control of your emotions to me. You realize that, right? So in just 3 statements, I was able to make you guys happy. I was able to make you guys sad. I was able to make you guys imagine everything. Now you know who has this control in your life right now? Examinations. So do you want to give the control of your emotions to examinations? Or to anyone in your life? As per se. You want to? Nahi na? Correct. And you also understood through this wiki how easy it is to change your emotions. You just sit back, take a long breath and imagine about something which happened amazingly and you start smiling. That's how easy it is to not being scared or nervous. So whenever you feel you're really sad or you're really depressed, stop. Take a deep breath, think about something else. That's easy. That's how easy human beings are. Yeah. Get the idea? So in today's Zoom call, that's what I want to tell all of you guys. Next session में कुछ नया योगा टेक्निक हम सीखेंगे. Maybe we'll do Kapalbhati or something else. We'll try to do that. ठीक है? But we'll come back with that, people. I'm really sorry I'm going really early, but हाँ एक और session है मेरे साथ. ठीक है? चलो, I'll see you guys in the next one. Next time we'll try to close the things earlier and we'll come back. ठीक है? Boban is doing this. I need to understand what he's doing now. Boban, tell me, Boban. What is
I'm not Boban, I'm Anna.
What are you? Anna. You're written Boban. You're written Aksa, Boban. I don't want to call you Aksa.
That's
I call
my
you.
Aksa is my sister.
Achha. Okay. Please tell me. What is it? I can't hear you. Tell me. Your voice is cracking. Yeah, tell me. Okay, I'm guessing what you said. I could hear that you said that you are a Malayali.
Yeah.
I heard that. Correct? And after that, it was Dam Shiraj for me.
Sir, I was just about to say that I am not Boban. That's
Same
it.
thing. Okay. It's like I'm telling you, you're trying to tell me.
So let it be next time.
Let it be next time. Yeah, we'll do that. That I understand.
And don't forget me.
Yeah, we'll definitely not forget. Okay, so people, bye. Take care. I really want to unmute everyone here, but okay, Karthik, I'll unmute you now. मैं चलता हूँ. Karthik last, then I'm going. Yes, Karthik, tell me.